I'm a big supporter of Bakersfield College and of higher education. You know, getting an education like equalizes and provides so many opportunities for people that grew up like me, that grew up with very humbly in a humble part of the city. Education provides that opportunity to do more things, and I think that's what education has done for me. I'd like to do that for others. I think that's why you continue to see me be a big advocate for higher education and providing more student opportunities. So whether it's advocating in the Capitol for more funding, or whether it's here locally talking to our students, getting them to get the right courses, or figuring out their major, or maybe just even something simple as giving them a backpack full of school supplies so that they know that they have the support of individuals that believe in them so that they can succeed. Yeah, I've been fortunate enough to continue to deliver millions of dollars for Bakersfield College. One allocation, and specifically the $6 million for the allied health fields for the nursing program at Bakersfield College. You know, when we had the press conference and just talking to not only the director, but talking to the students and hearing their personal stories about how this is making a difference in their lives, how it's going to make a difference not only in their lives, but their families' lives. And some of the people I talked to were starting families of their own, and they were just saying, like, this is just such a tremendous opportunity. So to be a small part of their journey and their success by delivering the $6 million, I think is just, I mean, it's all we can hope for as a public servant, is to have that impact on another individual, to have that impact on a family, and overall to have that impact we're going to have in the community. Oh, I love everything BC is doing. You know, at Bakersfield College, you know, whether it's dual enrollment, whether it's tackling the energy transition, or whether it's looking at healthcare, you know, BC is always there at the forefront, and that's what I just appreciate about what Dr. Christian has done, Dr. Zev has done, the entire staff, the faculty, and the students. You know, when you look at BC, they're an integral part of the community that helps make a difference. Right? When we said, hey, look, we need to make sure that students have more opportunities, they started the dual enrollment program. When they said, you know, look, we need more nurses and we need more allied health professionals, you know, we got the funds to get the nursing program to double the graduates that they're doing in that program for the next foreseeable future. You know, when you look at the energy crisis that Kern County faces, they're at the forefront of that as well. That's what I love about BC. They're not afraid to get into the issues, to roll up their sleeves and get the work done. You know, even during the pandemic, when we were saying, you know, we need help with administering vaccines, you know, BC and the students there said, let's do an innovative thing that hasn't been done around the state, and they did the drive-through vaccination clinics. And that's what I love about BC, the innovation, the ability to step up, roll up their sleeves and get something done for our community. You know, our community faces many challenges, whether it's providing students opportunities to succeed, whether it's dealing with healthcare, whether it's dealing with energy, whether it's just dealing with the skills needed for a good job. I believe Bakersfield College's role in the future is really continuing the good work and the foundation that they've already started. It's providing those opportunities for students. It's providing those learning experiences for their faculty and the students together to tackle today's biggest problems and tomorrow's biggest problems. So whether that's in healthcare, whether that's in energy, you know, whatever the issue is, Bakersfield College has always been able to step up to the plate, and I see them continuing to do that in the near future and the far future. And you know, I just truly appreciate everything that Dr. Christian and Dr. Zev have done with the faculty there, and the faculty stepping up to the plate to meet all these demands.